Welcome. In this video, I'll show you the best settings for gaming on an AOC monitor. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and use the joystick behind your monitor, okay, and navigate through the settings. Now, you'll be able to see resolution, refresh rate, HDR, sync, and even overdrive. Okay, if you have overdrive, just set it to medium or standard. Okay. Now, after that, go on and find your refresh rate. Make sure that it is set to the highest refresh rate your monitor can handle. Let's say you bought a 240 AOC monitor. Okay, you can't use a 240 hertz if you're just using HDMI. I think HDMI at least can handle 120 hertz. Okay, if the HDMI is newer. So go ahead and use a display cable. Okay, so you can maximize your monitor's power. If you have the option on your monitors to set up the refresh rate, go ahead and choose the highest one that it can give. If you can't find it, you can just right click on a blank space right here on your screen and click on display settings. And then in here, scroll all the way down until you find advanced display. Click on it. Now scroll down, click on, choose a refresh rate. Okay, click on the drop down and make sure that you select the highest one. All right, after that, let's go back to the monitor settings right here. Now, if you have HDR, if you're just casually gaming, let's say you play competitive FPS, just use SDR. Okay. For sync, I would highly suggest you to turn it off if you're playing competitive FPS or shooter games. Okay. If you're just playing AAA games with 4K resolution, go ahead and enable this one. All right. The adaptive sync or any kind of syncing. Okay. That's basically it. So for picture quality right here, it basically depends on your eyes. Okay, if you want it more vibrant, just go ahead and tweak it. And after that, you should be good to go. And that is the best settings for gaming on an AOC monitor. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.